In this tutorial, I'm going to show you an online creative writing site called Piclits.com. Piclits.com is a creative writing site that matches images with carefully selected keywords in order to inspire you. The object is to put the right words in the right place and the right order to capture the essence, story, and meaning of pictures. This online resource can also be used in conjunction with notebook software. First of all, I'm going to select a new page in my notebook software and select the transparent layer. Here I am on www.piclits.com. You can see that I have a picture here, and I can select more pictures. So students can browse a range of pictures to find one that they'd like to write about or to interpret. Okay, if you don't like those, you can simply click across and see more images, and students can search the pictures. Might select this one. Once you have selected your image, you have two options to create your Piclit. The first option is a harder, which is called a drop and drag. You'll notice down here there are the range of nouns, adjectives, adverbs, and so forth. The picture's just loaded. So I may pick up beautiful. The drop down menu will allow you to change it to a capital. Beautiful, brown, crawling, and so forth. So you can see here, students are required to selectively choose the correct word to describe the picture. Another option, or a more easier option, is to select freestyle, and then students can type their interpretation of the image. Now, to save your image, you need to actually sign in. In order to sign in, you need to provide your email address, which means you need to be over 13 years of age. If you have younger students who aren't of this age, you can work with your notebook software, your camera tool. Once they have created their Piclit, they can create a screen capture, which will be automatically inserted into the notebook software, which can then be copied and pasted as required. Another option with Piclit, if you want to use it for younger students, here I have a notebook document. I've just blotted out these images, and I have created a list of nouns, verbs, and adjectives, and these down here have been infinitely cloned. So students can come and might drag up smiling, funny, person, words to describe what they think is happening in the image. We go to the second one here. They might describe adjectives. Okay, well, it's outside. There's a dog digging, and so forth. So you can see here, this is similar to Piclit. All I have is a photograph, which could be of your students, words which are infinitely cloned, which you can drop and drag as required. If we go back to our Piclit, here, if students or yourself sign up, you can save your Piclits. Here are a few examples. This is an example of a Piclit created by my 4.5-year-old daughter. Of course, I did the typing for her. She selected the image and written, "The rocks have patterns, like pictures on them. I like the spotty one. Well, I really like all of them because they are pretty." A son who was 10 created this one. He chose freestyle and typed in, "I hope this cage is crocodile proof. If not, I hope it's a vegetarian." And here is an example of one that I've chosen myself. Mother's desperate agony, painful screaming, mournfully stricken with loss. Now this was used with the words which you had to drop and drag within the image, and of course it's a harder concept to do. With this you can actually email, you can share it, you can embed it within a blog or a wiki.